Good morning everyone. This is Amit Meena, PGT Chemistry from Kendriya Vidyalaya Gangapur City. So in the last class we have completed our wave nature of light from the chapter structure of atom. Today we will complete particle nature of electromagnetic radiation. So we have discussed that some properties of light which can be explained using electromagnetic radiation wave theory, like interference, diffraction, etc. But there are certain phenomena which cannot be explained using electromagnetic radiation wave theory. What are these? These are black body radiation. We have discussed in last class also. Black body radiation, photoelectric effect, variation of heat capacity of solids as a function of temperature, line spectra of atoms with special reference to hydrogen. So today we will talk about other properties of electromagnetic radiation also. First phenomena is the black body radiation. So first of all we should know what is black body radiation. If the substance being heated is a black body which is a perfect absorber and perfect radiator of energy, it means which can emit or absorb all frequencies, the radiation emitted by such kind of body is called as black body radiation. If any substance with high melting point, suppose an iron bar is heated with it first becomes red, then yellow, and finally begins to glow with white and then blue light. So according to electromagnetic wave theory, if we correlate with the theory, the energy is emitted or absorbed continuously. Hence the energy of any electromagnetic radiation is proportional to its intensity, that is the square of amplitude, and is independent of its frequency or wavelength. This was explained by electromagnetic wave theory. Thus, according to the wave theory, the radiation emitted by the body being heated should have same color. There should not be any color change. If we are heating a body, and the explanation was given by the electromagnetic wave theory that the color should not change. However, the change of color shows that on heating the frequency of radiation emitted is increasing, as red color lies in lower frequency region while blue color lies in high frequency region. So it means the color change will take place and the frequency goes on increasing. At a given temperature, intensity of a radiation emitted increases with decrease of wavelength, reaches a maximum value at a particular wavelength, and then start decreasing with further decrease of wavelength. You can see the plot, variation from right to left in the plot. So as we move from this part, as it is showing decrease of wavelength, the intensity reaches to increases. So when we are decreasing wavelength, we are coming back left side. You can see in both the curves intensity is increasing. So here 42 temperature it is at the peak, maximum intensity we have, and here at T1 we have maximum intensity. Further decrease in wavelength, the intensity decreases. The above experimental result cannot be explained satisfactorily on the basis of wave theory of light. So Planck suggested that atoms and molecules could emit or absorb energy only in discrete quantities, not in continuous manner. This is the main explanation for this. a belief popular at that time. Planck gave the name quantum to these smallest quantity of energy that can be emitted or absorbed in the form of electromagnetic radiation. So, according to Planck, atoms or molecules cannot emit or absorb energy continuously. They will emit or absorb energy in the form of small packets, and these packets were called as quantum singular, quanta plural. The energy E of quantum of radiation is proportional to its frequency nu, and the relationship between energy of quantum and the frequency is E is equals to h nu. You can see where E is the energy of quanta or quantum, h is the Planck's constant, its value is 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 joule second, and nu is the frequency. Explanation of black body radiation. As heating is continued, more and more energy is being absorbed by the atoms, and they emit radiation of higher and higher frequency. As red light has minimum frequency, yellow has higher frequency, therefore the body on heating becomes first red, then yellow, and so on. So this was the explanation on the basis of Planck's theory. Thank you. All about the explanation on this is finished. So later on we will discuss some other phenomena like photoelectric effect. Thank you.